Hello lovely people, hope you're all well. Just excuse all the furriness. Just a quick one today, just a quick unboxing. I kind of mentioned in one of my last videos that I'd found a pair of wheels, and yeah, so I ended up, because I'm looking for a set of wheels for the trek for the summer, so but I kind of found these, sort of fell on them. I fell on them. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. Hope you're all well. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you're well. Hello to all my regulars. Yeah, let's just get into this. Let's not roll this out too much, shall we? It's a little bit of a giveaway. The box, actually, just so you know, the box, I wasn't happy. The box turned up actually open. It looks like that they've taped the bottom, but obviously what was ever in them, the actual box opened up. And just so you can see, let me point this out to you. Hopefully you can see that. A little bit of a giveaway on the Miche, on the Miche, and these were ordered from Pro Bike Kit. There is a link in the description below. If you've not ordered from them before, there's a link. If you use my referral link, it'll get you 10% off your first order. Check it out, alright? It would help me out as well. So, not only wheels did I buy, but I also bought myself another cassette. So I got the Shimano 700, and this is obviously 11 speed, but you're looking at 1134. Alright, I'm hoping that you can hear me alright. And the reason why I was looking for wheels was not just for the trek, but was actually hunting for a rear wheel so I can then set my Zwift up, because I'm still using the trek on some days. When I go out with Simon, I'm going out on the trek. So you're looking at me bold spot. You're looking at me bold spot. So a couple of quick releases. I'm hoping that these are going to be good. A couple of quick releases, so the front and rear. And I'm going to have to take these out both at the same time. Move that box out of the way. And one thing that I liked about these was the spoke setup. Something a little bit different on the spoke setup. So nice chrome spokes. They look like, well, they actually look like they're aerodynamic to give me a bit more speed. But as you can see, they are the Miche Excite Wheelset. So you've got the Miche Excite hubs. This is obviously an 11. I don't think there's any noise. Let me put that in there. Nice and quiet. There's only so much noise you can actually put up with. But these are all, the bearings are all cup bearings. So some people prefer that over the sealed bearings. But I think the good thing about these will be is that I'll be able to service them myself. Yes, James, service yourself. They are 28 spoke count. let me quit. I should have done this, shouldn't I? Let me quit. What we on? 5 minutes. I'm boring you to tears now. Right, I'll leave the best bit till last, and the best bit is actually is the costing of them. So Excite wheel assembly involves accurate and precise spoke tensioning and are mechanically stabilised to settle the component position, guaranteeing high quality. You've got to say that, haven't you? Excite hubs have a lightweight alloy casing and cone bearing movement for long-lasting, reliable performance. Medium profile 6005 alloy rims with ground braking surface with grease hole for the cassette body. I'll check that out. So specifications, so it's anything from 9 to 11 gears compatible. Rim depth is 26, spokes 28, so that's 214s. Again, I quite like the look of that. Axles obviously 100 and 130, and the weight you're looking at, you are looking at over 200 grams for the wheel set itself, and I think that's one of the reasons why I think that they're going to work really well for me, because obviously I've read up on some reviews, and because I'm a big guy, I needed a wheel set that was going to last, and I've been told that these are bomb proof, so I'm going to try them out. Price £89.99. Wait, there might even be, yeah, 90 quid, £89.99, and that was from Pro Bike Kit. I was looking for a rear wheel to do my setup, and I come across these. These are, again, when I've set the wheels up, I'll let you know the weights and everything on them, and we can go from there. But wheel set and a cassette. I looked on Miche website, and to be honest, there was nothing on there. It doesn't look like it's been updated for a year or so. So I wanted to sort of see if I could get some more information. But I just liked the way that the spokes all set up. Really nice. Just something a bit different. So I bought these to try them out. A little bit heavy, obviously, but let's give them a go. I need to obviously buy some rim tape for that, and there you have it. Quick unboxing. It's never that quick. I babble too much. Lots of love, people. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll give you, once I've set this up on the bike, I'll give you some feedback on how they are, and go from there. Alright, lots of love. Don't forget, give me a subscribe, really appreciate it. If you fancy it and you're really enjoying these videos, give me a like as well, and there's a link in the description below where you can buy me a coffee. Alright, I'd really appreciate that if you can, and any questions on the wheel set or anything, just down below. Alright, lots of love, people. I'll see you on the road very soon.